Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to create an email and hosting how to integrate it with Gmail for sending and receiving mails, and of course the testing the mail sending and receiving. Log into your hosting a web hosting account, and go to your dashboard and click on emails. It will show you the websites hosted on your hosting account. I had two websites. One is the main and other is the subdomain. Now I want to create an email on my main website techfin2k.com. Click on the Manage button, and now click on the email accounts on the left side. It will show you the email IDs created. I'm already having one, and I want to create new email. Now click on Create a Mailbox. It will provide an option to choose your desired email ID followed by your domain name. In my case, I want to create an email, info@techfin2k.com, and create a new password, as per the requirements of the password. 1 capital letter, number, special character, etc. Now click on Create. It will create an email. Now configuring the email. You have two options, Browser and Recommended Apps. Browser is nothing but you can open the email directly in browser. Recommended Apps means you can integrate with your desired email apps, as everybody is most familiar and easy to use application is Gmail. So I want to show you how to integrate with Gmail. In this video, I will show how to integrate on desktop. In my next video, I will show how to integrate on mobile. The details of server, host, and port detail are shown. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Go to your Gmail account where you want to sync the hosting email, click on Settings, a gear icon at top right, and then click on See All Settings, and then click on Accounts and Import, where you will have an option to adding hosting an email account. Just go down, you will see an option, Check Mail from Other Accounts. This option lets you to integrate the hosting an email account. Click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will open, prompts you enter the email ID. Enter your email address. I'm entering info@techfin2k.com. It is showing that Gmailify is not available for this provider, so we need to create it with POP3. Click on Next. Now in the username field, give your email ID. I'm giving info@techfin2k.com and the password which is used to create the email and hosting now the POP server name. Give it as pop.hostinga.com and port number as 995. Ensure to fill these two exactly as shown. Otherwise, you will not be able to send and receive emails. Click the first two checkboxes and then click on Add Account button. Now see it is showing as you can receive mail from this account, and also would you also like to be able to send mail as info@techfin2k.com. That means till now we had integrated hosting an email account to receive emails in Gmail. Now we have to make the settings to send emails from info@techfin2k.com. Now select Yes. I want to be able to send mail as info@techfin2k.com. Click Next. Now you need to enter name. You can write any name you want. I am writing as Tanu V. And select the check button treat as an alias and click on Next Step. Now you have to enter the SMTP server details. If you don't know the details, I am providing them in the description. The SMTP server is smtp.hostinga.com, and username is your mail ID. I am writing my email, info@techfin2k.com, and the password, same as the password which we use while creating the email and hosting it. Otherwise, email ID will not be integrated to send the emails. The port number is 465. Here also ensure these details are filled correctly, otherwise we won't be able to send emails. After selecting port as 465, the secured connection using SSL is automatically selected, and now click on Add Account. It will verify the credentials. Means username and password should be correct. See it showing congratulations, we successfully located your other server and verified your credentials. One more step is to click and verify the link sent to the email. Now, go to your Gmail account. See my mail info@techfin2k.com is integrated to receive emails to this Gmail and also to send email through SMTP, and see there is a verify button is also visible. Means still we have not verified. As said earlier, we will receive an email for confirmation of linking this email to Gmail. First, I will open the hosting email in web browser. Log in with your credentials. As said earlier, we will receive a confirmation link from Gmail for importing the mails sent to hosting a mail. Click on the inbox. See we have received the confirmation email. You have requested to add info@techfin2k.com to your Gmail account. So now I am clicking on the confirmation link. It will open a new tab. And now click on Confirm button. Now it is verified. Means you can send emails from Gmail as info@techfin2k.com. Actually, it will take around 30 minutes to activate, so do not try to send emails immediately. Now, we will also receive an email confirmation link to the Gmail for send emails from info@techfin2k.com. Just click on the link to activate. Again, it will open a new tab and click on Confirm button. And now you can go to Gmail account for sending the emails from info@techfin2k.com. Now let's verify. Click on Compose and select the mail info@techfin2k.com for sending. Or you can make this mail as default also. I'm sending to my other Gmail account. Just for testing, I am entering the subject as hi and click on Send. It is showing as your message sent. Now I am sending mail to info@techfin2k.com from my other email ID to test whether this mail will come to Gmail or not. Now I entering the subject as hello, and I had clicked on Send. It is showing as message sent. Now let us verify both mails are received or not. Here also to get emails, it will take around 5 minutes. See, I had received the mail in Gmail with the subject as hi, which is sent from info@techfin2k.com. So it did not took much time to receive. Now we will check in hosting a webmail. Just refresh the page and click on the inbox. See, I had received a mail with the subject as hello, which is sent from Gmail. Now we have to get the mail in Gmail with which we had linked the hosting a mail. I am refreshing the Gmail. As said earlier, it will take some time to receive the mail, as the mail servers are different. See, I had received the mail with subject as hello to info@techfin2k.com in Gmail account. With this, we have tested the sending and receiving emails in Gmail. And that's how you link your hosting an email to Gmail on your desktop. If you're looking to do this on your mobile device, stay tuned. I'll be showing you how to integrate your hosting an email with the Gmail app on your phone in my next video.